We met with Andre, and right from the first meeting, we felt confident that they would be able to look after our needs and take care of us and help us with our anxiety over renovating and getting into a big mess and being out of our house for months and months. After we met with Andre, we decided to go ahead with Sosna, and it was the best decision we could have made.
Yes, I agree completely. The process was very professional. We were very impressed right from the beginning, as Shelley said, with the meeting with Andre. And our first meeting outside of Andre was with Camilla, our designer. And the one thing I can say about the whole process was very detailed, very professional, very project oriented, which appealed to me. We didn't start any construction until everything was looked after and planned out right down to the last light bulb, basically. And then it was a matter of execution, and they executed brilliantly. We found that Sosna were very hard workers and also very attentive to our needs and our questions. I always had questions. I always got great answers. Vitaly, the site manager, did an excellent job of telling me to not worry. They were looking after things, and they did. In fact, they finished early, which was a surprise a little bit to us because of all the stories we heard about contractors going overtime. We're very pleased with the quality of the work, and we're also pleased with the plan. It turned out to be fantastic for us.
Because this house was not the way we wanted it in any way. We come through the door and go, oh, we hate our house. And now we come through the door and we say, oh, it's beautiful, it's perfect, we love it. I was so happy to find Sosna, and we were so pleased with every single aspect of this renovation. We had absolutely no issues whatsoever. Everything turned out exactly the way we thought it would, and we couldn't be happier. Thank you, Sosna. Thank you for changing our lives.
I agree. Thank you, Sosna. It was a very great experience, and we're so happy we found you.